Now that we've discussed the performance benefit of an electric car, let's take a look at benefit number 2. Electric cars are easier to maintain. Yes, because electric cars do not have engines. That means no engine oil change, no engine oil filter, no engine air filter, no spark plugs, no transmission fluid. Also, if you're driving a manual, no gear oil. Right? Wala nang gear oil, di mo napapalitan yan. No fuel injector, no exhaust system. Just maintain the brakes, tires, suspension, and that's about it. But anything that has something to do with the engine? No. Electric cars have less moving parts, and the less moving parts that you have, the less you have to maintain. And this brings us to benefit number 3, more savings. The overall cost of owning an electric car